Right, here we are, DPP. Now that's quite a strong wind coming towards me, to say the least. There's some down. That's the thing about these, no power at all. that's just gliding. On my glasses, yeah. Is that a big African grey parrot?
No, that's a macaw.
Yeah, he's got a couple up he brings up here. There's also some wild ones up here that are breeding.
Someone's lying down there or what? Yeah, there is, isn't it? Yeah. How long does the battery last?
On these, about 15 minutes. But the bonus is $8.95 each. Yeah, because I know that the DJI ones, you got to near enough remortgage your house to get some of them. Balanced out at last, hands free. Hands free. Done all the control services last night. Haven't been talking, been bit of concentrating on getting the sub trims right on this, but now it's sorted. Martin, you'd have loved the Zhod, mate. Twice the size of the small machines. These are what, 750s. Great for yeah, just sort of fold it up, goes in the backpack. I mean, you wouldn't even notice it in your car. You could leave it in your car all the time, just in case you're driving home from work and you fancied a quick fly. No worries, stop off and have a quick fly before you get indoors. And they're, the other thing as well, they're sub 250. So you don't have to worry about the CAA exams and things like that. And these batteries just last ages, they just do. Well, I've done some loops. Let's see what it's like on a roll. Bit of a corkscrew job there. Mind you, it is extremely windy up there. That's it, power off, kiting. That's it, no power at all. If I'd have known it was going to be this breezy up here today, absolutely nothing, I'd have brought the night radiant. But I'm not going to. Well, I wanted to get this sorted out, the control surfaces, and I've done that, so I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the bugger into land now. Unfortunately, oh, done a tip store at the end. Never mind. That's what you get for landing with the sun in your eyes. I know it's an excuse, but blah 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 blah. But you know, one of those things. I'll tell you what, I never like. Oh, popped out. It's got a little bracket that's popped out in the end there, but that's okay. I'll put that straight back in again. Power off. Survivability on these are absolutely brilliant. Popped out that thing there, so I'll do just unplug the wing, put it back in again.